At Unity, we create proficient communicators who are active critical thinkers. Students who can listen and respond effectively and with accuracy.
We create students who research and are technologically proficient, actively pursuing knowledge and ideas through new, engaging, and innovative technology.
We create investigative problem solvers who analyze problems and find creative, bold solutions.
We create diligent scholars who think, speak, read, and write clearly in English and are committed to their studies.
We create ethical and honest students who show responsibility and exhibit personal and academic integrity.
Here at Unity, we have pride.
We have pride.
We have pride.
We have pride.
We have pride.